this video, we'll show you how the Excel table feature can make updating graphs a snap. So often you get, let's say, monthly sales data for your products. So at the end of each month, you might have 10 or 20 charts that you send to your boss, your VP of marketing, that summarize what's going on with the sales of your different products. So what most people do is manually update the range that the chart covers to include the new month of data. I'll show you quickly how to do that in a second. But then for every chart, you have to manually update the range. But if you make the data a table, then all charts based on that data will update automatically when new data is added to the bottom. Okay, so here we have some natural gas prices going from 2002 through 2004, December 2004. So we're going to make this a table. You should make the data a table before you create the charts. So we'll do Control-T. It's a table. Okay, now let's make it a chart. Create a chart based on a table. Insert, and let's do, this is scatter charts. Line with markers would be good. So there's your gas prices every month. Now, let's add a month to the data. Okay, now, actually, before we do that, and you can see it's a table because I go in there to see table tools. If you wanted to manually update the range, click on any point in the graph, and you see this is the range that's covered through row 34. So I would have to change that to through row 35 if I added a new month of data. Now, that is a very tedious thing to do indeed. Okay, if I have 50 graphs based on a set of data. But notice what happens with the table feature. I'm going to add a new month. 1/1/2005, and let's suppose the gas price spikes up to $80, $78. The graph spikes up. I wish I had this power. Now I'll make the gas price come down, that the president wishes he had this power. You can see the chart automatically updates even though I'm not doing anything to it when I update the table. Okay? Now if you look at the range covered, it's through row 36. So basically Excel knows basically that you should update the chart based on adding new data. Well, that's all there is to this video, but that's really quite important. The fact that all our charts can update automatically if the source data is a table that feeds into the charts. Now, in the next video, we'll show you how you can create a totals row using tables. You can filter for a presentation, and if you remember the subtotals feature, you can sort of do subtotals on steroids, but in a really good way. And you can get a subset of your data and paste it somewhere else, sort of like the advanced filter that we covered before with database statistical functions. And you can add splicers that make a really cool interface that lets you sort of change the appearance of the table. So we'll see all that in the next video.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.